Lingportal Online School presents
Either and neither quiz. Before you begin, it would be helpful to review some rules about either and neither. The words either and neither are used to express a choice or agreement between two options and indicate negation, the opposite, or similarity. Either is used to show a choice between two options or things. For example, you can choose either fries or pizza. To agree with a positive statement. For example, I love fries. I love fries either. Neither is used to indicate none of the options, for example, neither of those movies interest me. To use with nor to show that something is not true or does not happen to two or more people, actions, things, ideas, or qualities. For example, she neither eats meat nor fish. Let's begin the quiz. Question 1. Personally, I don't like either dress. We use either as a determiner before a singular countable noun to discuss two choices. Question 2. Neither of my best friends came to the party. In this case, we use neither to indicate a negative agreement, stating that none of the two friends came to the party. We use neither with of before plural countable nouns which have a determiner, my, the, her, before them. My friends, it's time to hit subscribe button and like this video. This motivates us to move forward. Question 3. Which flower do you prefer, the rose or the lily? I don't like either. In this case, either is used to express a dislike for both options, the rose and the lily. Either is used in negative sentences instead of also or too. Question 4. Which combination with either is correct? We can use either with or as a conjunction to connect two clauses. It indicates that one option is true or applicable, but not both. For example, you can either have pasta or pizza for dinner. Question 5. I don't know either of them very well. Either is used to indicate a choice between two options. We must use either of before pronouns, them, us, you. Question 6. I hate driving. I can't even think about driving a car. Neither can I. We use neither in this situation to show we also don't like driving and share the same feeling or sentiment. We use neither plus modal verb plus subject to mean also not. Question 7. Neither Alex nor his wife mentioned anything about buying a new car. We use neither nor to express the absence of both options, indicating that both Alex and his wife did not mention anything about buying a new car. Question 8. He doesn't like sushi and he doesn't like fish either. We can use either as an adverb with the meaning also. 2. In negative sentences. Using either enforces the negative sentiment towards both options for sushi and fish. Question 9. If neither of them can come, I'll be upset. I hope at least one comes. We use neither of before pronouns, such as them, us, you, we. Question 10. Either we go by taxi or we rent a car. Which do you prefer? We can use either or as a conjunction to connect two clauses. It is used to present a choice between two options, indicating that only one option is true or applicable, but not both. Question 11. We don't use a negative verb with neither. It is wrong to combine neither with a negative verb. For example, neither of us is going to the party is correct. Neither of us isn't going to the party is incorrect. Question 12. I haven't ever tasted black caviar. Which answer is correct? Both answers are correct as they convey the same meaning of agreement with the statement. Option 1. I haven't either, implying the speaker hasn't tasted caviar. Option 2. Neither have I, implying the speaker also shares the experience of not tasting caviar. Did you get it right? Perfect. Idioms with either and neither. Either way. Meaning, two possible outcomes or actions. Example, it doesn't matter if I will take the train or taxi, but either way I will be there afternoon. Be neither here nor there. Meaning, to not be important. Example, it's essential that he attends this training, and the cost is neither here nor there. Be neither one thing nor the other. Meaning, to be a mixture of two different things, often things that do not combine well. Example, I prefer a film to be either documentary or detective, this one is neither one thing nor the other. I hope you like this test. Like and share this video with your friends. Put your answers in the comment section. Stay with us and enjoy learning English.